Hey beauties! Welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So today we have a review of a size L crepe dress. These are all the crepes that we have, pastel colors. Here is an imitation of the back wrap. What is the difference between real back wrap and back wrap imitation? The back wrap is where the dress fastens. Everything is scribbled here. Therefore, imitation. The dress is put on through the back fastener. Dress without lining. Stitched very neatly. Persist internally on overlock. I will not show it on the table because it's so easy. What's so exciting about this dress? Puffy sleeves, imitation of a back wrap, folds imitating a placket, tulle wings under the sleeves. This dress is a work of art. Back wrap 12 cm, 2 fold of 2 cm, zipper, 2 tackle darts. Look carefully. The sleeve is puffy. Because of this, the sleeve does not start from the beginning, but 5 cm further. The shoulder is small. The sleeve was raised 5 cm from the main sleeve and another 2 cm for splendor. We cut 5 cm and added 7 cm. And in order for all this to be kept inside, there is a tulle. And we got such a fashionable dress. Sleeves like this are in vogue. If you want a video about modeling such a sleeve, please write in the comments section. Here is a tulle. Thanks to tulle, the sleeves kept its shape, and this place does not fall. Crepe is a very good material. It hardly wrinkles. I have a lot of things made of this fabric and I like it a lot. That's it for today. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in our next one. Bye!